unstable with my left hand. I'm right-handed. I got that other part in the house. Unfortunately, the other peg, the one on top, broke off. Could have been more careful. Hey, at least I didn't drop the set. Guys, almost got the camera right again. Just angle. Oh, cool. Perfect. Pointing downwards. Don't want to put the tube in the sun. It might a little bit. I'm not going to use it for a while. I'm just going to, I guess I'll put it on the patio even though it's not sunny. Angle would be nice for this. My sponge for dirty stuff. I keep it in my room so no one uses it in the kitchen. This will be rinsed off and put on the patio. I want to rinse off the sponge before I do the tube, but probably won't. Lovely walnut veneer. As long as you let this dry, there's no moisture or anything like that, you'll be fine. I've cleaned plenty of TVs like this, and no issues. Except the 32A33, which was dead already, but I didn't want to power it on and all the condition it was in. It's not like it sat out in the rain for 20 years like the Mitsubishi said. Furry bastard. Wonder if melamine foam will take that out. That. Kind of looks like it's got the triads, like it's a Delta gun set. From right here, it looks like it. Doesn't know. This thing out. Okay, let's move it. Forgot the one screw right there. Oh well. That actually looks fine, but you know, you can't judge it by that. That looks really clean now. I don't know, maybe I should take the tube out of it, but I gotta put it on something. I want to scrub the bottom of it, but I'm not going to because it's just not me. Have to fix the door that goes there. Oh, that's nice.
Hey, there it is.
Just about done here. It's not bad. Right there is kind of bad.